are here right now at Sunbury State, Antipolo City. And ang i-house tour natin ngayon, wow! This is a high-end and a luxury home. Labas pa lang yan, di ba? And this driveway is leading to the carport or garahe, which is mamaya natin pupuntahan, no? Let's go inside. This is the pathway leading to the front door. And pansinin nyo ang ganda ng kanilang landscape dito sa labas. So let's go inside. So this is the main entrance and our main door. Naka-smart lock na rin siya, no? And special mention ko lang, no, meron tayong elevator. So kung meron kayong mga elder, this is good one. And before we go to the other space, dito muna tayo. Itong pathway na to is we have a toilet and bath. So malawak din siya, malaki actually. Wow, nice. So pwede ako mag-shower, no? With a view. Okay. And ang katabi ng room na to, ng toilet and bath na to is another room. Pwede siyang entertainment room or kung meron kayong mga elder na ayaw ng malayo sa front door, this is the best. Ang view nyo is yung pinakaharap ng bahay. Oh, nice. Meron din silang mga built-in cabinet na, no? And multimedia walls, pwede yung lagyan ng TV, depende kung ano ang gagawin nyo. Pwede din ng opisina actually. And let's go to the other area ng ating big house. And also that stairs is leading you to the basement. Mamaya natin yan pupuntahan. And this is the living room. Sobrang laki. My God. And they have a lot of a sliding door. And they also have some kind of protected fins or for the safety. So pag inopen nyo yung ating sliding, pwede ka pa rin mag-emote ng nakaganito. Ang presko, ang ganda ng view, grabe. It's a mountain view. Tanaw ko yung pool dito actually. And let's go to the kitchen. Napakalawak din ang kanilang kitchen. So, this is the space for the dining table. So, pwedeng 12-seater. It's up to you guys. And this is the cooking area. So, they have a sink and a lot of storage here. And itong na ating nakasetup na induction booster. And this one, alam ko umaangat to eh. So, yung usok niya, pag nagluto ka, i-absorb niya. And this one is really nice. Food lifter or lazy waiter ba yun? So, lalagay mo lang yung food. It's either going up or going down. So, para sa masisipag. It's really nice kasi mostly yung ganyan sa resto lang siya nakalagay. So, parang, di ba, napaka-unique na itong bahay na to merong ganyan. And this is another space na pwede nyong lagyan pa pantry area or something like that. And what else? Oh, wow, nice! Di ba? So, this is the basement area. So, ito yung ating elevator. Pag galing kayo dito sa ating garahe or carport. So, makikita nyo, napakaganda nung pagkakagawa nila nung daan pababa, no? Yeah, it's really nice. Safe para sa mga sasakyan or kahit sa tao. This is good for two vehicle actually. Kasi sa labas malawak naman yung kalsada. So kung marami kayong bisita, it's okay. They have a lot of room dito sa basement. This another one, zinc with with a toilet and shower. So that's nice para sa mga staff actually. And there's another storage room. Maliit lang siya. Pwede na sa mga another storage lang. Parang hindi siya pwede maging magulan. So, let's go sa ating room number 2. Ito yan, no? So, pagpasok mo, meron tayong sarado natin kasi mahangin. We have a toilet and bath. So, malawak din siya. See, kita nyo? And Actually, itong kwarto na to, pwede siyang entertainment room. They have a sink, a lot of storage cabinet. And meron siyang ready na pwedeng lagay nyo na yung TV nyo dito. Bed here. So, pwede siyang guest room, entertainment room. So, it's up to you. And katulad sa taas, so they have a safety fence para pag binuksan nyo yung inyong mga sliding door. Napaka-presko. Pwede ka nang tumalon. Papunta sa swimming pool. Joke lang, guys. Wow, nice. So, let's go to the other room. So, let's go here at the main kitchen. So, pagpasok mo dito, meron silang, staff room. Kasi meron siyang CR. So, yung pwedeng stop mo, yan. May CR siya, and they have a faucet inside, pwede ring maligo. So, pwede itong staff room. And let's go to the main kitchen. Wow! Talagang well-packed. Ganda siya. And ito yun, yung ating lazy waiter. So, dito yung food dumadaan. So, after cooking here, itataas. Diba? Napaka-high-tech, napaka-unique. And they have a sink dito. So, talagang masarap mag-prepare ng food pag ganito kalaki yung iyong kitchen. And they have a lot of cabinet para sa mga kailangan mo when you are cooking. Dati kasi akong chef, char. So, let's go. Punta na tayo sa swimming pool. So, here we are. So, ito yung ating swimming pool area. No? Wala siyang tubig para sa maintenance, syempre. Maluluma agad yung ating pool kapag gano'n. And they have also a lanai dyan sa area na yan. So, dyan, pwede kayo maglagay ng table, depende sa inyo. And this hallway is going to the first floor. Yan yung daan kanina na nakita natin nung pababa tayo ng basement. So, let's go to that second. So, this is the second floor. Ang ganda naman ng mga hallway nila. From here, tanaw nyo yung front door. Diba? So, kita nyo agad kung sinong bisita. And then, check natin ang kanilang master bedroom. So, pagpasok mo, ito na yan, no? So, pwede dito it's either your TV or depende sa inyo. Kasi may naka-ready na sila, no? And then, ito ang view. So, they have a balcony here. Ganda. Diba? Ganito yung view mo pagising mo ng umaga. So nice. Check natin ang kanyang CR. Oh, wow. Nice. They have a huge bathtub. At ang ganda ng view mo, no? And, look at this. Oh, diba? Ibig sabihin, kahit ganyan siya, meron ka pa ring privacy. So, pwede kang tumambay dito. So, they have 2 sink here. And napakalawak ng kanilang walk-in closet. At ang ganda ng mirror. Full-length mirror. So, talagang pag nagbihis ka, after shower, andito na lahat. Nice. So, this is room number 3. So, sa harap to, no, ang view mo dito, yung harap na area ng bahay mo. Yan yung papasok sa garahe. This is also a huge room, malaki rin siya. And meron din siyang sariling toilet and bath. And built-in cabinet na sakto lang. So, ito yan. Okay, let's go to room number 4. So, this is our room number 4. Sarado natin kasi it's so windy. Babagsak yung ating dito. So, pagpasok mo, malaki rin tong room na to, no? They have also toilet and bath din. And built-in cabinet dito sa loob. So, ayan. And they have also balcony, katulad ng ating master bedroom. So, ito ang view mo pagkagising ng umaga. Nice! Sarap naman dito. And for more details ng ating napakagandang property today, you can send us a message or give us a call.